Well, Junfeng, it was a busy day for central banks today, wasn't it?
Indeed, actually. So many central banks, ECB, BOE and BOJ all announced their rate decisions, and the picture is mixed.
It is. Well, the European Central Bank has raised its key interest rate by 25 basis points from a record low of 1%. That's its first hike since July 2008 to counter firming price pressures in the 17-country Eurozone. Well, experts say more tightening is likely to follow, but the ECB is fearful of heaping more pain on the Eurozone's stragglers. Yin Hung takes a look.
The ECB lifted its main refinancing rate by 25 basis points Thursday from a record low of 1%. It also raised its deposit rate by 25 basis points to 0.5% and increased its marginal lending rate by the same amount to 2%. The Policymaking Governing Council made the announcement less than 24 hours after Portugal announced it was seeking European Union support, a decision long expected by financial markets. The ECB is concerned surging oil prices near 2.5-year highs could boost inflation expectations. Financial markets are pricing in 2 further quarter-point rises in interest rates this year. Eurozone inflation rose to 2.6% last month, above the ECB's medium-term target of just below 2%. But in the meantime, the Frankfurt-based bank is trying not to jack up rates too fast. The Eurozone's struggling economies are only just seeing signs of recovery from the European debt crisis. Bank-to-bank lending rates have already risen on rate hike expectations. The 3-month Euribor rate has risen 25 basis points since the start of the year and hit its highest level since June 2009 on Wednesday. With Greece, Ireland and Portugal all being forced to rely on international bailouts and struggling to generate growth, the rate hike will carry risks. But the central bank believes it can tighten policy slowly enough to avoid doing serious damage. Analysts say the ECB's decision shows that re-establishing its inflation-fighting credibility is more important to avert an upward spiral of prices and wages. Yin Hung, CCTV.